Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete a character preset in Once Human. If you've created multiple characters presets during character customization and no longer need them, then you can delete them directly from the preset menu. First of all, launch open Once Human game on your device. Once you open up your game and you are inside the game section, go ahead and look for this menu button at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Cosmetics. Now, you'll be able to see this interface where you need to click on Styling at the top, and you'll be able to see your appearance presets on the page. Go ahead and select your preset you no longer need, and now from the bottom of the screen, look for this trash icon and click on it. To delete the current preset, click on Confirm and you'll be able to delete the selected preset right away. So that is how you can easily delete unwanted preset during character customization on Once Human. Remember, default presets cannot be deleted, only custom saved can be. Deleting a preset does not affect your current character unless that preset is actively selected. So that is how you can easily delete a character presets in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.